Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is Priscilla, a food and a lifestyle blogger. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you're an OG, thumbs up to you for coming back. So today, right now it is to 7 p.m. So today we're going to be treating, or I'm going to show you how I prepare my sauce bourguignon. Sauce bourguignon is the best French sauce, and bourguignon is in the northern eastern France. So it is like a small commune or local government, as you may call it, in the northern eastern France. So they have their traditional sauce, which is best loved and best cherished by almost all the French people. So today I'm going to show you how I prepare mine, because I love that sauce bourguignon as well, and that is why I'm going to show you how I prepare my own sauce bourguignon. So if you want to know that, keep on watching and let's quickly get started. So guys, to prepare this sauce you need some wine, and here I am using Chateau Haute Terre. That is the name of the wine. So I am going to be marinating the meat with this wine. I'm going to be like taking half of the bottle to marinate the meat. So guys, I am going to marinate this meat, and then I'm going to keep it in the fridge to sit for about 1 hour. 1 hour, so that when it is out, we're going to continue with the sauce, right? So I'm going to show you how I do that. So for the meat, here is the chunk. This is the size of the meat. It has to be in a big chunk, big and not too small. So in a big chunk anyway. So here I am going to pour the wine into the meat. I'm going to add some garlic. Let me just show you the ingredients that I'm going to use. So guys, here I have the spring onion. I'm going to use it. And here I have the fennel. Here is a fennel. So here I have some lye. Here I have a sized onion. Here I have some Maggi. You know, I use my Maggi always. Here as well I have some shallots, some small onion, as you may call it, shallot. And here I have my carrots. Here I have my pepper. I'm still going to use some black powdered pepper. Here I have some mushroom I'm going to use as well, my salt, the wine, the meat, and that is it. Guys, this sauce, after being prepared, could be eaten with rice, potatoes, or macaroni, spaghetti, or whatever you call it. So you can eat it with anything you want to eat it with, but normally I do eat it with potatoes, right? So let's quickly get started and stop blabbing. So guys, I have marinated the meat and it's there in the fridge right now for about 1 hour. So after 1 hour, I'm going to bring out the meat to give it a fry. So here is the remaining of the wine. I just take 1 cup of wine to marinate the meat. So I'm going to use the remaining other wine to cook the stew, the sauce, I mean. So for now, where I'm going to start prepping my veggies, my vegetables. So guys, I didn't tell you I was going to use a lardon meat. This is a pig meat. So for those of you who don't eat pig, it could be optional, but however, it adds a very big taste to the sauce. So first of all, I'm going to give it a little fry before I could add it to the sauce. So this one is not roasted because there are some that are roasted, but this one is not roasted, and that is why I'm going to give it a little bit of fry. So let me start frying it like right now. Then so that's it. So here I just added a little bit of olive oil to fry the lardon meat first, right? And some butter as well. I'm gonna add some black pepper. So guys, now it's 1 hour since I put this in the fridge. So I am going to start frying it right now. So as you fry the meat, you are not going to fry it so hard. You're only going to fry the first side of it, and then you turn to the other side of it. Just a little bit, grey on each part. So you don't fry it so hard before you start cooking it, right? So I'm going to show you how I do that. So guys, before I get the meat fried, I am going to transfer it into a sieve to drip the water. So I'm adding some black pepper and a little bit of salt. Guys, I can smell the aroma. I mean, it's like diffusing the whole neighbor kitchen. It's very so guys, as it is now, I am going to start adding other ingredients. The mushroom, the carrots, the shallots, and the lye, like the garlic and all other things. So I'm going to add all this here, cover it, and add the remaining wine as well. So I'm going to cover it to cook for about 1 hour. I mean 1 hour before this is cooked, because it's still hard. So we're going to cook it very soft. So guys, the only water you are going to add to this sauce is the wine. So I'm going to add the remaining wine in here. So we're going to cook it for 1 hour, 1 good hour. Guys, let's check the sauce. Ooh. It has a very nice aroma. Very nice aroma. Just look at that. So it looks. So guys, here is the final look of my sauce bourguignon. Look at that. And it tastes so winey. It tastes so good. It smells wine. It tastes wine. I mean, it is a very nice sauce. Eating it with some Irish potatoes, simple cooked Irish potatoes. That is what I'm eating it with. I love eating it with Irish potatoes. You can eat it with rice. You can eat it with spaghetti, whatever you want to eat it with. But for me, I eat with Irish potatoes. So guys, I hope you like this tutorial, this sauce bourguignon tutorial. If you like it, do not forget to hit on the like button and share this video. So thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.